Hello there. I'm Callie with Callie Collective, and I'm here with your advisor marketing tip of the day. Did you know that 74% of adults who are online are using social media regularly? And out of that 74%, 5 million affluent investors are using social media to research their financial decisions. Now, with such a large number of your prospects and clients using the web to research something that's going to determine if and how they're going to work with you, it's now more than ever important to have a strong digital presence. So let's look at some of the easiest and most important ways that you should be showing up on the web. The most important one, of course, is having a website. And then on your website, having a blog or a blog with videos, which is called a vlog. This will really help SEO, and it's always giving your website some new and fresh content. Having a personal Facebook page, having a Facebook business page, which is different from the personal profile, having a LinkedIn personal profile, having a LinkedIn business profile, having a YouTube channel, and then having YouTube playlists on your channel, which actually helps with your search rankings in YouTube. Having a Google business page, again, going to help with your Google ranking. Online advertising, which is severely underused by advisors. Being published or quoted in online news. Being published as a guest author on another professional's blog. Chamber of Commerce, Better Business Bureau, or some other professional organization. So like I said, these are some of the easiest and most important places that you should be showing up on the web. So if you're not already, I would definitely recommend taking advantage of it. Until next time.